All right, we got the amazing Audir mini drone with camera. This is a great drone for beginners. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box, show you everything. So the first thing is it has this nice case right here. Throw this off to the side. Nice case with this nice handle. Let's unzip it to take it all out here. And so got the drone. That's the first thing I'll show you right here. It's got the drone, as you can see, nice and compact, fits right in my hand. And it's got the camera right there. You can take videos or photos. Let's go ahead and just open it up. So I'm gonna open, actually I need to this way first. Open that up, open that up, open this up, or sorry, the other way. Open that up, open that up. I'm gonna set that down, just set that right there. And then I'll take this piece out. And actually, as I'm taking this out, I'll show you. So as you can see, there's a slot there with something missing. That's another battery. We already have a battery right in there, but it has two batteries. So great flight time. Now, this is the charging cable for the battery as well as the controller right here. So there's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take out my phone and let me actually I'm gonna power this on there, beeping. Press the power button here. So now that's on, and they calibrated together. So that's amazing. Now I'm gonna come into my phone right here, and I'm gonna come into the Wi-Fi, and it's gonna open up the Wi-Fi for the drone. And there we go. That's the Wi-Fi for the drone. It's gonna connect right there in a second. There we go. It's connected. So now the drone is connected to the Wi-Fi here. Now we're gonna come in here to the app right there. And as that, before I even pull that up, I'm gonna put that into the controller right here. Gonna hit play. And now, gonna hit record just because I wanna shoot some videos while we're doing this. So before I take off, I'm gonna pull this out because I forget which way to do it. We wanna horizontally calibrate the drone, so in order to horizontally calibrate, we're going to press these inward like that. And so that horizontally calibrates it. Now, I'm gonna go out like that to turn it on. And it'll shut off in a second. Now, that's done that, I'm gonna hit that to go up. And to take off, I'm just gonna press this button. There we go. Now it just hovers. I'm doing nothing. It's just hovering in place. And as you can see, the video's going right there. Now I'm taking it off more. Let's just go up. There's the video, as you can see, pretty sweet. We live in an amazing place out here in Phoenix. Just a great place in the desert out here, great landscape. Now, you can go all sorts of different directions. You can turn it that way. You can come back over here. You can also turn it around. It's going in, I'm doing a 360 right now. Now let's just come back. As you can see, amazing drone, perfect for beginners. Get some good video, photos, whatever you want to do. Highly recommend.